All right. So in our intermediate class, we're doing working on the song "Christmas in You" by Los Lobos, and as Ellen says, it's a doo-wop. So we're working on a couple techniques with our right hand, doing a triplet feel. Now I'm going to make a G chord, and here's one way of doing a strum pattern with that triplet feel. I'm going down, up, and then tapping the G string. So I'm going down, up, tap, down with my fingernails. Of course, I come up with the flesh of my index finger, but so we have three strokes per beat, and two of them have nails. So that there's a bit more edge to this strum pattern. So it's down, up, tap, down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we would count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a very nice triplet feel, but this is a ballad, and it may be just a little bit too bombastic. Maybe at times we could throw it in. So I wanted to share with you a strum pattern that I learned from Kimo Hussey. I guess I kind of adapted it to my way of playing. And so see what you can do with this as well. 3 strokes. So I'm strumming down with my fingernails, but the other 2 strokes are going to be flush. So down with the fingernails, and then I follow with another down with my thumb. And then I come up with the flesh of my index. So it's down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Like so. And I'm making a G with my left hand. So it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're watching TV tonight, just do this over and over and over until it gets into our muscles, into our myelin, into our nervous system. They call it muscle memory, even though that's kind of a misnomer, but that's where we want it to land. All right, so here is our tempo, and we're in the key of G. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, darling, I'm thinking of you. So far away, I wonder if you really miss me. Oh, on this Christmas day, darling, I wish I was with you, putting lights upon the tree. It's all that I dream of. Oh, on this Christmas Eve, I don't want no presents from Santa. Don't need nothing brand new. All I want are those old times when it was just Christmas and you. And darling, I'm thinking of you. So far away, I wonder if you still miss me. Oh, on this Christmas Day. 'twas Christmas and you, oh, darling, I'm thinking of you, so far away. I wonder if you still